Hello everyone, this is Lucy, and in this video I will show you how to turn on car mode in Spotify. First, you need to navigate to your settings and turn on your Bluetooth. So after your Bluetooth is turned on, connect your device to your car. So after you have connected it to your car, go to your Spotify and click on your profile at the top left corner. Here you will see settings and privacy. You just need to click on apps and devices. You'll see various other settings. You just need to click on car thing and click on the setup car thing. After that, you just need to follow some on-screen instructions and you're done. And these are a few steps to turn on your car mode in Spotify. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos and I'll meet you guys in the next video.